Hello friends, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Today we'll be preparing mushroom cheesy balls. So here are the ingredients for the mushroom stuffing. First we need to make a cavity in the mushroom by taking off its stalk. Once this is ready, we prepare the stuffing. We heat some oil in a pan. We add in the chopped garlic and saute it for around 2 minutes. Next we add in the chopped onions. We cook it till it's nice and transparent. Add in salt as per your taste. Next goes in the chopped carrot. Cook it till the carrot is nice and tender. Now we add in the chopped bell peppers. Next goes in the turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala powder. Give it a good mix and then add in the coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook it for another 2 minutes. Once it's done, we allow it to cool for some time. Now to this mixture we add in the cheese. We mix it well. And now our stuffing is ready. Now let's see what is required for our batter. To prepare the batter, we first add in the flour. Next goes in the salt along with the red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add in the water. We add in some more water so that we get the desired consistency. It shouldn't be too runny, something like this. Now we stuff our mushrooms. Once it's done, we dip them in our batter so that it's nicely coated all over. And then into the breadcrumbs. And now it's time to deep fry them. Fry them well till it's nice and golden brown. And here are mushroom cheesy balls ready to serve. You can enjoy it with tomato ketchup or any of your favorite dip.